With prepaid meters, you have to pay up front for water before you can use it. You put money onto an electronic card, which you then insert into the meter to make the water flow. You can't negotiate with the meter to give you water if you are sick or if there's a fire.
Everything that I do it with water. I have to cook, I have to wash dishes, I have to do everything with water. So, how can I pay it?
Water is not a privilege. Water is a right. It is a human right. Water is life. Without water, you can't have life. So therefore, we are saying water should not be made into a profit.
Everyone has a right to sufficient, safe, quality and quantity water in Section 27A of the Bill of Rights.
We hope that this will be the end of free payment water meters. That is the main thing we're trying to do in this case, is to get rid of free payment water meters so that everybody in Piri and in Soweto can have the same kind of meters that they have in the rich suburbs of Johannesburg.
You look at the prepaid meters, they are only installed in poor communities. Whereas in the suburbs they have luxuries of big swimming pools, green lawns that are green all year round, and they bath in jacuzzis, and that's where most of the water is wasted. But they are not on prepaid system. It's only the poor who are given this prepaid system.
I'm worried what is going to happen because we need a storage. What is happen when just like me, when I've got a sore tummy, I've got a running tummy, I must go outside. We haven't got a toilet. We need a storage, really we do.
Installation of the prepaid water meters, she can't rinse the clothes under a running tap because we have to save water. So she do the laundry, then rinse on another bed. So even clothes doesn't get thoroughly rinsed because and you imagine if there's someone in the house who's sick, especially since the HIV/AIDS pandemic, that you have to take care of people at home.
This is a 25-litre container. This is what the city believes each person should get per day. We don't believe that's enough water for a human being to survive on. Even if you just flush the toilets, you've already used about half of it. There's nothing left for drinking, there's nothing There's nothing left for bathing, for washing. Forget about it if you have a garden, you're trying to grow vegetables, there'll be nothing left. So we're saying you need at least double this for free per person per day.
Joburg Water is a subsidiary to Suez, a multinational corporation from France. And they would buy slots from community radios, say their propaganda on prepaid water meters, put their adverts on billboards, you know, the Soweto entrance in Potchefstroom Road, saying, you know, thank you, Piri, people are happy with the prepaid water meters, and 90 billion liters of water has been saved monthly since the installation of prepaid water meters. But because people felt and lived with the prepaid water meters, there were researches that were made by the APF subcommittee, research subcommittee, with the help of the coalition also. As women in South Africa, everything that has to do with water, it's like it's a woman's responsibility. And it's not women's responsibility because everyone gets affected. And water cannot be compared to anything. It cannot be substituted.
Forward with human rights, forward. Forward with human rights, forward.
We all should have the right to have those normal conventional meters that don't automatically disconnect your water. So we're hoping that tomorrow the court case is going to say that these prepayment meters must be ripped out by the city of Johannesburg and they must pay for normal meters.
So we feel that justice is not actually followed, and we feel also that our human dignity is being violated.
batswadi le ska dumela o thetswa ke borakgwebo ba mpatsetseng ya tsebenyang bakgotsi bana le tšhelete. Prepaid water meter enana ke bothata, e destroya maphelo a batho, e hlekefetsa batho dintho kaofela. Ha o sena tšhelete o kekebe wa fumana metsi, ha o ntlo ya hao e tjha a kekebe wa kgona ho itima hobane metsi a tlabe a kwetswe, dishopo tse ho rekiswang ditekete go kgona ho fumana metsi di a be di kwetswe. Jwale rona re le anti-privatization le di-social movement tse ding, re re ho lona destroy the meter and enjoy free water.
Bye.